Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, you can see the yellow lines there are the Bollinger Bands. They represent 2 standard deviations of price, so a whole heck of a lot of price. And you can see they're narrowing. When they get narrower, it means that we are basically chopping around, up and down, not really going anywhere. And you can see for the last 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sessions that we really haven't done a whole heck of a lot to separate ourselves from the midpoint of these 2 lines, which is the green line there, the 20-day simple moving average, the average of 20 days of price, high, low, and close. So for the last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of the last 8 sessions have interacted with that green line. And the more sessions that interact with the green line, the tighter these bands tend to get. The good news is, from compression is expansion. Compression, expansion, compression, expansion, compression, expansion. Things get tight, things loosen up. It's kind of the ebb and flow of the markets. So the Bollinger Bandwidth, which is the distance here, it's not tragic. It's 3.6. When it got tight back here, it was about 2.9. So they could get tighter. The hourly chart really gives us a good idea of what we're fighting over here. You can see how tight the hourly bands are. Same concept. You got the 20-day green line. 9-day is your blue line. Weekly pivot got handled on Monday. They had no interest in going back to visit it yesterday. What we've seen in Globex here is just a really slow, weak grind. They're trying to build on top of the 20-day. We spent yesterday trading on either side of it. So it's a battle over the 9-day and the 20-day. The payoff from that battle is probably anywhere between, 30, more like 50 points up or down from the resolution. So they'll battle here. There's going to be a winner and a loser. Our job as day traders of the E-mini is not to assume or guess who's going to be the winner or the loser. There are setups to take. Yesterday was a great trading day. It was about 35 handle day. It's been a good week. There have been moments. It's been wide enough at times, and you can see it here on the chart. It's been wide enough at times to get enough elbow room to get things done. Then there's other times like, overnight here where there isn't enough elbow room to do anything. So we were short the 81-82 area, both into the close and early in the overnight. It gave us, a decent little push, but then we end up, it ends up coming up, stopping us out, and then the bulls try to run it back up as high as 98. The bulls continue to have trouble with 3,900, with the big round number here at 3,900. So we could take a line here and draw it at the roundy, right here at 3,900. We'll just leave it there for a minute. And you can see they tested here. Well, it started here back on Tuesday. And on Monday, 39.12, and they couldn't hold it. So they bumped into it, little peak up over the top, then they lost it. Couldn't get it back, couldn't get it back, couldn't get it back, couldn't get it back. So until the bulls can start consistently printing stuff with 3,900s on it, there isn't a whole lot of upside here. So that's capping the upside. On the downside, you've got the bears that really can't pull away too far away from this 9-day without the bulls coming in to defend it. So you put those two things together and you get compressed Bollinger Bands, chop, and basically it's a knife fight in a phone booth, and we don't have a winner and a loser yet. So respect risk, don't overtrade this. This kind of action is a golden ticket to overtrade and get all chopped up. Don't do it. Pick your spots and understand that when there is a resolution to this, that there will be plenty of time to hop on the horse of the winning team and ride it to victory. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Keep an eye out, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook Live. We just started a new Facebook group. Get in there. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff in there. that goes beyond the videos and goes beyond the briefing report, just to bring people more value. I think we're at a really critical area of the market, so I'll be popping on periodically throughout the day. So don't keep your eye out for that. All right, everybody have a great one. Trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.